bless the voices that rise so high. Jamaican music, the sound can't die. From the hills to the ghetto, the rhythm them strong. Voices of Jamaica carry the world along. Voices of Jamaica echo through time. Legends of the island, voices so divine. From roots to dancehall, the vibes carry on. Voices of Jamaica, the soul of the song. Bob Marley chant truth, get up, stand up, call. A message for the people, for freedom for all. Jimmy Cliff say many rivers to cross. Him sing for the pain, for the joy, for the loss. The reggae beat rise like a wave on the sea. A cultural force, the world must agree. Jah bless the pioneers who paved the way. The sound of Jamaica lives strong today. Voices of Jamaica echo through time. Legends of the island, voices so divine. From roots to dancehall, the vibes carry on. Voices of Jamaica, the soul of the song. Shaggy bust up the charts with It Wasn't Me. Him carry yard vibes from land to sea. Sean Paul drop rhythms for the dancehall crowd. He make the whole world party loud and proud. The rhythm evolve but the roots stay strong. Every tune remind we where we belong. From the Zing Fence studio to the global stage, Jamaican music can't be caged. Voices rise high, the legends live on. Jamaica make the world feel just song. Roots rock, reggae and dancehall vibe. For every art the music survive. Grace Jones brings style, the fashion, the sound. A queen of creativity, say your crown profound. Miss Lou say take your patois with pride. Her cultural voice make the island stride. Every legend a chapter in the story we tell. The power of the music where the art dwell. Jamaica the source, the world fi know. The voices of the island make the spirit glow. Voices of Jamaica echo through time. Legends of the island, voices so divine. From roots to dancehall, the vibes carry on. Voices of Jamaica, the soul of the song. Voices of the greats, voices so true. Jah bless the music, the rhythm run through. From Bob to Jimmy, from Grace to Shaggy. Voices of Jamaica, forever we happy.